Let's quickly go over to Anisha Mathur joining us from Delhi, as well as Saurabh joining us from Mumbai. Anisha, over to you. Delhi is adamant that they will not allow ease of restrictions until the end of the month. Looking at the spike in cases, he said, Arvind Kejriwal said that it's a hard decision, but it's life over livelihood.
Well, yes, Nabila, that is what the Delhi government has decided, that the lockdown restrictions will not be removed, particularly since there were 2 more hotspots identified. Now we have more than 75 hotspots in Delhi, where, including a hospital where several people were identified, a residential area in the posh civil line which was identified. So the number of hotspots in Delhi seems to be increasing by the day, and that is why Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has said that there will be no relaxation of the lockdown in Delhi. However, we also need to remember that the central government offices are in Delhi. Many of the central government offices have been functioning for the last several days with very, very limited capacity. We'll have to see how this, between the non-easing of lockdown restrictions in Delhi versus the central government saying that some parts of the government will come back to work, how exactly that will work out. Of course, for the last week or so, central government offices have opened with a limited number of people going. The senior officials particularly are going. So we'll have to see how exactly this is going to work out.
Anisha, so Delhi is going to continue its restrictions until the 2nd of May, the 3rd of May. Let's quickly go over to Saurabh joining us from Mumbai. Saurabh, we know Maharashtra has partial restrictions. Of course, many hotspots are still completely sealed. They are going to be under lockdown, but there are some industries that will begin from today. If you can enlighten us.
We see Maharashtra is the worst affected state due to coronavirus, and Mumbai especially has around 270 cases, over 2,700 cases, beg your pardon. So Mumbai is in complete red zone area, so nothing will be starting in Mumbai. As far as Maharashtra is concerned, there are total 9 districts also which are being identified as green zone and orange zone. So what Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has said that there will be a partial restriction in the lockdown. Some of the industries wherein there are no single coronavirus cases like Nanded, some of the parts of Kolhapur, the industrial owners have to take permission from the local authority. They also have to ensure that they can keep their workers safe. They don't have to travel much, and also there is a complete restriction from district to district travel. So only the industries we are present in that particular area, they are producing something related to farm, agriculture, or different sorts of industry which can have permission to travel from district to district, which comes under the Essential Commodity Act. Only they will be given the permission. So a lot of things has to be sorted out first because it's a huge task. Therefore, initially permissions are being taken, and after a proper study, thorough study, they will be given the permission to operate.
Saurabh, thank you very much for joining us with those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.